You won't believe what lit up the Connecticut sky. It all started with a spark of curiosity. Residents from Watertown to Glastonbury grabbed their cameras and stared in awe as a glowing spiral materialized high above. But here's where it gets controversial. Was it a secret military test or just space junk? Let's dive into the real story behind that stunning display. On Tuesday evening at 8:30 p.m. EDT, Europe launched its brand new Ariane 6 rocket from French Guiana, a remote site just north of Brazil. Its cargo? An 8,900-pound weather satellite, METOP SGA-1, engineered to sharpen global forecasting and monitor atmospheric changes more accurately than ever before. Nearly 2 hours later, far from its South American launch pad, the rocket's upper stage booster reached the fringes of Earth's atmosphere above Connecticut. Preparing for re-entry, it released residual fuel into the icy, sunlit sky. And this is the part most people miss, says Dr. Jay White, Director of Science at Talcott Mountain Science Center. When that leftover propellant is vented, it immediately freezes into tiny crystals. Sunlight hitting those crystals at high altitude creates a spiral pattern as the booster rotates. The result was a near-perfect luminous spiral, visible for several spellbinding minutes, before it slowly faded away. Astronomers refer to this rare event as a twilight phenomenon, or space jellyfish. It hinges on perfect timing, just the right altitude, and the sun's angle to transform a routine rocket maneuver into a cosmic light show. Dr. White believes these dazzling glimpses remind us how little time we spend looking up at the heavens. 2/3 of our lives is earthbound, heads down, screens on. But when something like this appears, it pulls us back into the wonder of the night sky. With rocket launches skyrocketing worldwide, experts warn we might see even more surprise spectacles soon. Could tomorrow's launch put on an even better show? And here's the real question. Should we view these events as environmental concerns from space debris and fuel venting, or simply marvels of modern science? We want to know what you think. Does this sky spiral spark a sense of wonder or worry you about what's happening above us? Share your photos and thoughts with Channel 3 through the WFSB News app or at https://wfsb.com/community. Copyright 2025 WFSB, all rights reserved.